Guys, your boy Cutman the Gamer, and today this is not really good. Look at this. It's snowing, guys. It's literally snowing. So in the news they said it was gonna be a snowstorm, which there is, and all the schools are closed. Yeah, I didn't go to school, but tomorrow I will. So, it is 2:46 p.m. So, new leaves are gonna come up, and so new videos are coming up this week. Maybe like tomorrow or on Friday. So, and then, yeah. So, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, so you will